How to withdraw money from Binance to Revolut. First, open your Binance app and click on Wallets in the bottom right corner. Once you're in the Wallet section, select Withdraw. Then, choose the option Withdraw Crypto or Withdraw Fiat. Next, select the currency you want to withdraw into your Revolut crypto wallet. For example, if you're withdrawing Litecoin, choose Litecoin and select Send via Crypto Network. This will take you to a screen where you'll need to provide an address, network, and withdrawal amount. You can click on Max to select all of your funds. To get your crypto wallet address, open the Revolut app, go to the Crypto section, and select the same currency you're transferring. This will generate a wallet code, which you can copy and paste into the address field on Binance. Make sure the network matches, and then click on Withdraw. And if you liked the video, give it a like and subscribe.